It's May 8th, 2026, and Google has hit back hard.
In response to rapid updates from Claude and OpenAI, Google has just quietly dropped 5 massive Gemini updates. From making full AI videos for free to deploying agentic AI robots into your work, these are 5 updates which are going to entirely change the way you use and leverage AI. And the incredible part is that most people have absolutely no idea any of this even exists. So in the next 7 minutes, I'm going to break down each one of these massive updates, what each one actually is, why it matters, and I'll tell you 3 small steps to approach these updates that will help you get far ahead of your competition.
Starting with update number 1, the Gemini Enterprise Agent Platform. Although the name sounds really dry, what it does is not. This is Google's system for building AI agents that run your business for you, not helping you run it, actually running it. These agents connect to your existing apps, execute multi-step workflows, and finish jobs while you are not in the room. Google's CEO describes it as the secure, full-stack connective tissue you need to build, scale, govern, and optimize your agents with confidence, a mission control for the agentic enterprise. The technical details matter here. The platform includes a new agent designer for building schedule or trigger-based agents, long-running agents to execute complex business processes, an inbox for managing agent activity, and skills to create shortcuts for repetitive tasks. And to run all of this, Google unveiled the engine underneath, their 8th-generation TPU chips, 2 specialized chips, TPU-8T for training, built to scale up to 9,600 interconnected chips, delivering 121 exaflops of compute, 3 times the processing power of the previous generation, and TPU-8i for inference, built specifically for low-latency agentic reasoning with 80% better performance per dollar. These 8th-generation TPUs are the culmination of more than a decade of development, co-designed with Google DeepMind specifically for the demands of AI agents running continuous multi-step loops. In simple terms, if you so badly wanted to set up an AI team that actually works while you sleep, this is the infrastructure making it possible.
The next update is one of my favorites, and it is going to make a lot of people very, very happy.
Update number 2, Google Vids, and this one is what a lot of people are searching for on the internet. Google just made professional AI video generation free for everyone with a Google account. Here's exactly what that means. As of April 2026, every personal Google account gets 10 free VO 3.1 video generations per month, no credit card required. You type a prompt, you get a video. That is it. Free tier clips are capped at 720p resolution and 8 seconds per clip, but it is pretty good to be free. Each clip can be extended. Chaining generations adds approximately 7 seconds each time, maintaining visual consistency across segments, allowing you to build highly interactive video clips over 2 minutes long. On top of it, Google AI Pro and Ultra subscribers get custom music generation via Lyria 3, customizable AI avatars, and Google AI Ultra accounts can generate up to 1,000 VO videos per month. This goes direct at Runway, HeyGen, and Sora. Synthesia reached a $4 billion valuation in January 2026 on the strength of enterprise avatar video, a capability Google just made available as part of a platform most companies already pay for. And we can very well say the era of AI video as a premium tool is now over.
Moving to update number 3, it is called Deep Research Max, and it is genuinely insane. You give it a topic, any topic. It plans the research, searches the web, reads everything, filters the relevant material, and writes you a full structured report. The technical reality is what makes it even more special. This runs natively inside the Gemini API, which means any developer can integrate it into their own tools and workflows directly. It is not a standalone product, it is a capability that any application can now plug into. Just think about what that means in practice. Just one prompt, a few minutes, and you have a full report. And because it is built into the API, developers are already embedding it into workflows, legal research tools, investor analysis platforms, competitive intelligence dashboards. Friends, this is not just a user feature, it is a complete infrastructure destined to change a lot of workflows and jobs. As we move to our final 2 updates, just hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, helping each other grow together.
Update number 4. This is the one most coverage has missed the significance of. It is called Gemma 4. and it changes the open-source AI landscape completely. Gemma 4 is Google DeepMind's new family of open-source AI models released under Apache 2.0, which means anyone can use it, build with it, fine-tune it, and deploy it commercially for free. No paywall, no restrictions. Here are the specs. 4 model sizes, E2B and E4B for mobile and edge devices, a 26B mixture of experts model, and a 31B dense model. The 31B model currently ranks number 3 among all open models in the world on the Arena AI leaderboard. The 26B mixture of experts model ranks number 6, while only activating approximately 3.8 billion parameters during inference, achieving 97% of the 31B's quality at roughly 8 times less compute per inference step. Since the first Gemma generation launched, developers have downloaded the family over 400 million times, building more than 100,000 variants. Gemma 4 supports a context window of up to 256,000 tokens across the larger models, maintains multilingual support in over 140 languages, and is natively multimodal, handling text, image, video, and audio input. The Codeforce's ELO score jumped from 110 to 2150, the largest single-generation coding performance leap for any open model in history. And why does this matter if you do not code? Because every AI app you're going to see built over the next year, a significant number of them will be running on Gemma 4 underneath. It is the engine that other tools are built on. When Google wins the open source race, every product built on top of it would significantly improve by a wide margin. And last on the list, something really special. Update number 5, and this one is for anyone who has ever wanted to learn to code but did not know where to start. Google has added something called Learn Mode to Google Colab, which, if you have not used it, is Google's free browser-based coding environment. No installation required. Open a browser, start writing Python. That is it. Here is what Learn Mode changes. When Learn Mode is active, Gemini shifts from being a code generator to a coding tutor. Instead of providing a block of code for you to copy and paste, it breaks down complex topics into manageable step-by-step instructions. It explains the logic behind the code, the underlying programming concepts, and why a specific approach is being used. Custom instructions are stored directly within your notebook, so when you share a notebook with colleagues or the broader community, those instructions and the Learn Mode configuration travel with it. Anyone collaborating on or learning from your notebook gets the same tailored AI experience. In simple terms, for beginners, for students, for anyone switching careers into tech, this is the tool that in reality removes the last genuine barrier to learning to code. Try it now.
And as promised, here are the 3 small steps to begin with that will change how AI makes your life really easy. 1. Go to vids.new and generate a video. Just try it, 10 seconds. 2. Open Google Colab, turn on Learn Mode, and spend 5 minutes on any coding concept you have always wanted to understand. 3. Hit Deep Research Max on a topic that matters to your work. Watch what it produces. By the way, big new AI drops are happening every week now. Subscribe to this channel. I go through every update, pull out what actually matters, and tell you exactly how to use it, so you do not miss the next one. Now, tell me in the comments, which of these 5 updates are you most excited about? The AI workers, the free video, the research robot, Gemma 4, or the coding tutor? I'll make interactive deep dive explainers on the ones you like the most. See you in the next one.